Hey there! Today, we're going to show you how to reduce uric acid in your body. This video will cover simple, science-backed steps that you can take right at home. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's talk about what uric acid actually is and why it's important to keep it under control. Uric acid is a waste product that's produced when your body breaks down purines, substances found in certain foods like red meat, organ meats, and some seafood. Normally, uric acid dissolves in your blood, passes through your kidneys, and leaves your body through urine. But if your body produces too much uric acid or doesn't get rid of enough of it, it can build up and form sharp, needle-like crystals in your joints. This is what causes the intense pain and swelling associated with gout. The goal here is to reduce uric acid levels in your blood to prevent these crystals from forming or to dissolve the ones that already exist. So, how do you do that? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is super simple but often overlooked. Drink plenty of water. Staying well hydrated helps your kidneys flush out uric acid more effectively. Make sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can spread this out over the course of the day to make it easier. Start your day with a glass of water before breakfast, keep a water bottle with you throughout the day, and drink a glass before bed. According to research from the American College of Rheumatology, increasing water intake can significantly reduce uric acid levels, especially in people who are at risk for gout. Next up, you'll want to adjust your diet. Foods high in purines can increase uric acid production, so it's crucial to limit these foods and replace them with low-purine alternatives. Reduce your intake of red meats, organ meats, and certain types of seafood like sardines and anchovies. Instead, opt for plant-based proteins like lentils, beans, and tofu. Include more whole grains, vegetables, and low-fat dairy products in your meals. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that a low-purine diet can significantly lower uric acid levels, reducing the risk of gout flare-ups. Add cherries to your diet. Cherries aren't just delicious, they can also help reduce uric acid levels. Eat a handful of cherries every day or drink a glass of 100% pure cherry juice. You can also mix cherries into your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. Research conducted by Boston University showed that cherry consumption was associated with a 35% lower risk of gout attacks in patients with a history of the condition. Vitamin C is another effective way to reduce uric acid levels. Take a 500 mg vitamin C supplement daily. You can also increase your intake of vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. A study in the Archives of Internal Medicine demonstrated that daily vitamin C supplementation can lower uric acid levels by increasing its excretion through the urine. Include healthy fats in your diet. Not all fats are bad. In fact, some healthy fats can help reduce uric acid. Incorporate olive oil into your cooking instead of butter or margarine. Snack on a handful of nuts or seeds. Add avocado to your salads or sandwiches. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in healthy fats like olive oil and nuts, have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower uric acid levels. Research from the Journal of Nutrition supports this claim. If you want to keep a close eye on your progress, you can use a Uric Acid Test Kit. Purchase a Uric Acid Test Kit from a pharmacy or online. Follow the instructions to test your blood at home. Keep a log of your levels to track changes over time. Monitoring your uric acid levels can help you see the effectiveness of the changes you're making. It also gives you concrete data to discuss with your healthcare provider. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to reduce uric acid in your body. Remember, these changes won't just help with uric acid, they can also improve your overall health, so it's a win-win. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. And of course, if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.